Now, let's create our first shipment from the sales proposal. When you generate a new shipment out of a sales proposal, Freightools uses the information inserted in the sales proposal phase. Once the shipment is created, the system automatically opens the Basic Information tab inside the shipping order. Remember, you can always navigate between Customer Shipment and Shipping Order from the upper panel. You can also navigate to the sales proposal connected to the shipment. Click on the CS link to navigate back to the customer shipment in order to fill the shipper and consignee. On the customer shipment, you will find all the information inserted on the sales proposal phase, such as the carrier, customer, all the basic information, including the routing, the goods, all buying and selling economics. In the customer shipment goods, you have the possibility to insert container number and seal. On the Basic Information tab, scroll down to find the two boxes representing the origin and the destination of the shipment. Each one of those boxes represents all the information for the origin and the destination side. If you have a paying customer at the origin country, then the customer will be placed on the sender side rather than on the receiver side. To insert the shipper and consignee, you can choose them from this list or insert a new one by clicking on the plus button, just like we did before on the sales proposal. Let's create a new shipper. And click on Save. Once the shipper is created, the info is added into the shipper field. Choose Consignee, save, and navigate back to the shipping order. On the shipping order basic information, you can find the general information of the shipping order, just like in the sales proposal and in customer shipment. On the right side, you can find the shipment dates, including a log of estimated, actual, and confirmed dates. On the middle section, you can find the shipment's master data, including the port of loading and destination details. Here, you can insert your handling agent at origin and at the destination, including customs operator's info. On the left side, you can find the travel information such as booking date, vessel, voyage, master BL, etc. If you want to insert the vessel, voyage, and estimated dates, you can use the Voyage button to launch Freightools Schedules tool. Select the departure range and click on Search. The system connects all major shipping and airlines data. In this shipping order, we define the carrier 1 according to the rates we used for this example. you have two possible vessels. Both depart on the 21st. Select either one or select any other range of dates. Click again on Search. The system will reload the information according to the date's range. Once you find the vessel, click on Select to load the info to the shipment, such as voyage and vessel name. By clicking on the vessel icon, you can open Marine Traffic View and view the live location, updated every 5 minutes. On the right side, all estimated shipment dates are filled according to the schedule selected. Fill in the delivery, date, time, and confirm the dates. Once all the information is inserted, such as the shipment dates, head on to the Process Steps and click on the Load Process Steps button to load the shipment's execution tools. These process steps are configured. Tailor-made execution tools that will guide the user on how to operate each shipment of any service type. In this example, we are operating an FCL import shipment, and therefore, we defined some demo process steps, including the booking to suppliers, the import documents receiving, such as the draft of the BL, booking to suppliers at destination, for customs order or the delivery order, and the collection of the original BLs and release. Each and every process step can have many execution tools. Each and every execution has many tools, such as printouts, PDF, emails, and files. Each process step includes an expected date, indicating when the operator will need to operate this process step. For example, on the creation date of the SO, you have the booking to supplier step that is expected to be done by today, same as the creation date of the shipment. Same as we have already seen on the sales proposal. You can view the printout that is pre-configured with all the information that you need in order to send the booking to the agent. Once you are happy with the printout, you can generate a PDF out of the printout that is added to the Files folder in the cloud icon. You can also upload any files from the Browse button and send this booking by a new email or by replying to an existing email. Once you have completed the booking step, what you need to do as an operator is to confirm the process step as done and click on Yes. This will give to the process step a timestamp to confirm that the process has been done. On the process step, you can see the status as confirmed. The expected dates of the process steps will also appear on the user's calendar that can be found on the upper right menu. by clicking the calendar icon, you can find the calendar view with all the process steps the operator needs for any running shipment. The green labels represents process steps. The purple ones represent the shipment dates, same as the red ones. But those represent shipment dates that have passed, and there is something wrong with the shipment, like a delay or any milestone exception. The blue ones represent the tasks. Each and every day, users can view all the process steps that they will need to operate, and by clicking on the process step, the operator is directed to the shipment in order to operate and confirm the process step. Once the process step is confirmed, if the user clicks on Show Active Only, the confirmed steps disappear from the list. The goal is to arrive to a clean list every day. Let's go back to the shipment. Once the shipment has departed, the system will automatically flag the shipment stage according to the movement of the vessel and according to the container number inserted under the ID number of the goods. Same way for the air shipment, but with airway bill number. If the system, for any reason, did not update automatically the shipment stage, you can flag it manually. Once the shipment stage is flagged, you can also generate an automated email to the customer with a tracking link. Navigate to the customer shipments list. On each customer shipment, you will be able to find the tracking link. If you don't find it in your grid, simply grab it from the column picker and move it to the front of the list. Click on the tracking link to copy it to your clipboard. Open a new window and paste the link. To view the customer's tracking page, when a customer clicks on the tracking link, from their email or mobile phone, they are directed to the tracking page that doesn't require any username, login, or password. And here, the customer can see all the shipment info, including the current position of the shipment, the routing, the goods related to the shipment, as well as the shipment dates.